Hello, my name is Jackson Vale, and I am 19 years old, and I am from Columbus, Georgia. I was born in Columbus, but when I was young, I moved to LaGrange, Georgia for a couple years, and just recently moved back here to Columbus, Georgia. And I attend Auburn University. I attended there in the fall semester and spring semester for my freshman year. Really loved it a lot, and now I'm attending CSU to get more credit hours to transfer over to Auburn for the summer semester. And I will be going back to Auburn in the fall semester to complete my sophomore year. And I major in finance there. I really love it. I'm in a fraternity. I've made lots of friends, met lots of people there. It helps me really enjoy my time there at Auburn. And here at home, I have a younger brother. His name is Luke. He's 14, and we spend a lot of time together. I love him a lot. We fish together and golf together and do all kinds of stuff. I used to golf a lot when I was younger, and now I'm teaching him everything I know because he wants to compete on the competitive level for golfing. So we spend a lot of time doing that. And outside of family, I like to go to church with my friends, and love to hang out with my friends all the time. We spend a lot of time up at the lake, and we like to go on trips like across the country and stuff like that. But it was nice meeting all of you, and I hope the rest of you have a good day.